Click on the link below to get price. The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is an impressive addition to the electric mobility market, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and versatility. With options for 500W, 800W, and 1200W motors, this scooter caters to a range of riders, from casual users to those needing a robust commuting solution. One of the standout features is the choice of battery range, 15, 25, or 30 miles, ensuring that users have the flexibility to select a model that aligns with their daily travel needs. Comfort is prioritized with the inclusion of a seat, providing an alternative to the traditional standing scooters. This is particularly advantageous for longer rides or for those who may struggle with standing for extended periods. The seat is well cushioned and adjustable, making it suitable for riders of various heights. The 20-inch off-road tires are another highlight, offering excellent traction and stability. Whether navigating city streets, tackling uneven pavement, or venturing onto dirt trails, these tires ensure a smooth ride. The suspension system further enhances comfort by absorbing bumps and jolts, making it a solid choice for adventurous riders who seek more than just a flat surface commute. The scooter's design is functional yet stylish, combining a sturdy build with a sleek profile. The controls are intuitive, with a responsive throttle and easy-to-read display that shows speed and battery life. Safety features, such as bright LED lights and a reliable braking system, are also well integrated, ensuring that riders feel secure during their journeys. One minor drawback could be the weight of the scooter, which may pose a challenge for some users when it comes to portability. However, given its robust construction and performance capabilities, this trade-off is often seen as worth it. Overall, the Caroma Peak Electric Scooter with a seat is a commendable option for anyone seeking an electric scooter that combines comfort, power, and adventure-ready features. Whether for daily commutes or weekend explorations, this scooter promises to deliver a thrilling and reliable experience.